Stop using basic words in English language. Instead, use advanced words like this. When something is detailed and organized, say it is meticulous. Her notes are always organized meticulously. When someone speaks with confidence and persuasion, say they're eloquent. The speaker was lively and eloquent, and everybody loved listening to him. When something is unclear and open to many interpretations, say it is ambiguous. The response he gave to his manager sounded ambiguous. When someone is very calm and composed under pressure, say they are unflappable. Angela Merkel, the former Chancellor of Germany, was known for always being unflappable despite the chaotic situations that surround her. When something is new and creative, say it is what? Innovative. The solution offered by the intern proved innovative and everyone loved it. If you want to learn more words like this, follow this channel for more advanced vocabulary.